What's up guys, it's Seth. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks for Crow's new gadget. Crow's second gadget is called Slowing Toxin, and it slows enemies that are poisoned for 3.5 seconds. This gadget actually got a recent buff. When it was first released, it only slowed enemies for 2.5 seconds, but now it does it for a second longer, which at first may not sound like much, but it's a really long time. And once you activate this gadget, you can pretty much auto-aim and hit all your shots because of how much slowing this gadget does. Crow's first gadget, Defense Booster, is pretty fun to use, but I think I enjoy playing with Slowing Toxin more. Crow was already a very annoying brawler, and this gadget makes him even more annoying to play against, especially against a brawler like Colt, who relies on his movement to hit his shots. So the best game mode to play Crow in is Showdown. Crow is probably in the top 3 of the best brawlers to play in Showdown. I would really only recommend playing him in Showdown and sometimes in Brawl Ball, but those are really the only game modes Crow is good in. But if you're planning to push trophies with Crow, definitely play Showdown. In Showdown, you want to focus on getting your super, and then make sure to only jump on a brawler that you're sure you can kill. Obviously don't jump on a full health Bull or Shelly. Go for throwers like Sprout or Dynamite, or for a Piper if she doesn't have her super. You can also jump on brawlers that don't have a lot of health like Rico. Crow's gadget can be paired really well with his super, because one of the hardest things about using Crow's super is landing directly on top of another brawler to do as much damage as possible. The gadget helps out with this problem a lot. If you poison the brawler you plan to jump on first, and then activate the gadget before your super, it will be a lot easier to aim and land your super directly onto them. So when I'm playing with Crow, I'll play differently depending on who I'm going up against. When I'm fighting someone with long range like Colt, Rico, or Brock, I'll try to just get some chip damage from a distance, and then I can use my gadget, and while they're slowed, I can move in closer because they won't be able to hit shots as easily, and I can get the kill. One of the brawlers I would try to avoid in Showdown is Piper, because Piper can outrange Crow, and if she hits a long range shot, she can two-shot Crow. The only time I would target a Piper is if you can get close to her without getting hit, like using your super to jump on her. Just make sure she doesn't also have her super, or else she'll just jump away and she'll probably be able to easily kill you after you've taken damage from her super. The best brawlers to target with Crow are tanks like Bull, Rosa, or Jackie. I'm sure if you've ever played with one of these brawlers in Showdown, you've experienced that annoying Crow who outranges you and won't leave you alone the whole match. When I fight tanks as Crow, I can get much closer to them, and if they try to attack you, you have more movement speed than them, so you can get away quickly. And if you ever get inside their range, that's where your gadget comes in handy. You can slow them down and hopefully get away before you die. But if you encounter someone like Jackie, who can usually two-shot you, if you're playing in Brawl Ball, I've wasted some gadgets trying to slow her down so I could get away, but sometimes it's not worth it because even if you use your gadget, she'll probably still kill you before you have time to escape. But in Showdown, because you only have one life, try to use your gadget to get away before you die. When you go up against someone with medium range like Nita or Mr. P, you can easily kill them with the help of your gadget. Because you outrange them, you can chip them down, and when you use your gadget, they're pretty much helpless against you, and you can easily pick up the kill. But if these brawlers have their supers, you may want to avoid them because a brawler like Nita can use her bear to body block and get close to you, which is something you definitely don't want. Even though Crow is one of the worst brawlers in almost every 3v3 game mode, with this gadget, he's so good in Showdown. He's also really fun to play. As for which star power is the best star power to pair with Slowing Toxin, I personally don't have Crow's star powers, but I think either star power would pair well with this gadget. Before slowing Toxin got a buff, Crow's first gadget, Defense Booster, was definitely Crow's better gadget. But now that slowing Toxin got a buff, I think his gadgets are more balanced now. And I think for which one is the best to choose, it comes down to which gadget you enjoy playing more. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, click the like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my uploads. I try to upload every Wednesday and Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Once again, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video.